Tips to making him miss you. If you are one of the people who want your partner to always be aware of you and miss you, you must follow these 5 tips. Many of us want to find true love in this person to be thoughtful, affectionate and above all that makes us feel desired, so you should know the advice for him to miss you and want to be by your side all the time. The first thing you should know is that you should not invade the life of your partner. Remember that everyone should enjoy their activities together but also separately. Gift him your absence. Remember that in love, less is more. 1. You must leave at the best moment of the relationship. Do not leave him with a bad memory. You must leave him with more desire when you are at the best moment, so he will have the opportunity to think of you in the most beautiful way. When you end the relationship, it is fine to cry, but only once. Leave the dramas. You must keep them for yourself. Do not make him remember you in the worst way. Follow your life calmly although inside you feel you are dying. 2. Give him the opportunity to feel your absence. Make him realize that when he is not with you he misses the beautiful moments you spend together, but it is not easy to do so. You must strive for everything to be applied correctly. Detect the activities he enjoys alone and start practicing them with him. When you are not present he will miss being by your side. 3. Shine when you are not by his side. You must do your vital activities and you must get prettier than ever when you are not by his side. You must realize that your life goes on and that it does not stop because you are with him. Take time for yourself. 4. Learn to love yourself. Give it all but demand everything. What a man wants is to find a woman who loves him but also loves herself. Remember that if you are not proud of the person you are, he will not be proud of you either. You must be the only woman who loves him and loves herself, and that will always make him miss you. You must be the best in bed. Make him happy and he will miss you. If you want to learn more about the tips to making him miss you, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You.